Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about how to manage our time and be a smarter. I think we all need to understand this time frame because once time went out and passed out, then it will never come back. You have to stick with your rules, stick with your passion that will give you a fruitful result in ending point. And whatever you will fail, you will success, it doesn't matter. What is matter that you are on your right path and you are doing your all stuff with consciously, whatever, consciously, not unconsciously. You are doing your work with consciously, this is matter. And we all have this claim that this problem, that how to manage our time. This is, there is no necessary to to read the time management and do your stuff. Nothing. You have to wake up and do your all stuff with consciously. And if your mind tell you that go and take a rest and go and make a fun, then you immediately tells you will immediately tell your mind that no, I never go for making a fun, for doing a rest, nothing. I have to do my work and I want to see myself as a professional. Then you have to do your work from permanently and with consistency. You need to understand these things. Once you understand these things, then you can do your all work. If you fail, never matter. Tells your mind that if you fail, learn with these failures. If you not fail, then you will be stick on the one point. If you fail, then you get ahead from the failure. If you where fail, there fail. If you get ahead from there, this is the life, and you are the whole universe. Say your mind that I am the universe and I can do which I want, and I do. And first of all, be healthy. If you are not healthy, not eat the healthy food, not drink healthy things, then your stomach will disturb, and next day you are not able to doing anything. So you will not able to doing anything. That this is, then you what are you doing? Nothing. So this is the time to take action and be healthy. Don't eat junk food. Junk food makes you unhealthy, makes your belly fat unhealthy. So, but people never understand this. Why? Because people only understand that this will give me a pleasure. Then we need to eat it. This necessary? No. There is no necessary to eat junk food. Junk food will make you unhappy in the long time. Suddenly and suddenly you eat a junk food and you feel so pleasure. This sudden pleasure kill you are killing you. So please make sure that don't eat junk food. Don't make coffee with milk. You can take a coffee with black coffee, with made by hot water only, and one spoon of coffee, and mix it, and let's take a. This process will take you ahead from your problems. If you solve your basic problem, then you go for ahead. If you are not solve your basic problem, you are not able to do your big problem, do your big stuff. Sorry for that. And if you do it, then you can do anything. Don't believe people's belief. Okay? Because people people talk to you with based on their experiment, their experience. So don't tell them that your experience is so bad. No, learn with these people and show the what the people doing and what they achieve. If they achieve, then the 100% certainty that you will learn from these people. If they people are not achieve something, then you are not able, then avoid these peoples. Okay, so this kind of strategy you can manage your all time. And I manage my time. I wake up early morning and do at least 20, 30 minutes yoga and meditation. And after that I do my all housework, kitchen work, children related work. And then after that in my free time I do my all study. And after the in the evening I play with my children and take some fun, and then do my all kitchen's work and go to bed, go to sleep. This is my whole routine of my daily life, and even my children know this. So I hope I can able to understand all time managing. Okay, thank you so much.